gotta carry a knife.
You don't have to take
pressure.
that life.
It's time to use your head and be wise. They say it's time to use your head and be wise. Don't let the road stress you. Get a load of this. Let me take you to the scene full of trouble kids. As they turning into teens, life for art to fix. Cause you see the problem is, shattered dreams of broken homes leads to the violence spree. Revenge for the broken bones lingers in your heartbeat. Vision for your iris is the terror from your step-ups. Moms in the crisis, she yelling please stop, he takes no notice. Carries on the violence like he's leaving no survivors. Linking up with wires, reaching for the toolbox, about to use the pliers. Go you kick into the phone box, just to call the sirens. Gasping for air, finally there, you think about your family affair. Dreading if it turns drastic. Yelling down the phone, but they tell you don't panic. So the boy go home, that's what you call domestic. Trying to catch the logic, but you just don't get.
Brothers dying, mothers crying for why? You don't have to hold that knife.
You gotta carry a knife, young, and you ain't gotta carry a knife.
You don't have to take
pressure.
that life.
It's time to use your head and be wise. They say it's time to use your head and be wise. Don't let the road stress you. Growing up with hatred, nothing seems sacred. Painful thoughts and no revenge makes the heart ache. Sick to your guts, tears flow like water in lakes. So wipe your eyes, youngin'. You can't let them see you break. I know you're going through a lot. Troubled as a youth, like a family support. So you're flopping in school. Disciplinary procedures from your bad report. Other kids picking on you, got you fighting in sports. It's like the world on your shoulder. After school you roam the road to avoid your home drama. One day you meet a couple youths from round the way. They approach you on the humble. It was clear you was feeble. Ask you what's your area, frightened or the older. You whisper that you live around the corner. Then he placed his hand on your shoulder. Said don't be afraid soldier, there's strength in the number. Ain't been acknowledged for a while, it feels good, now you're meeting his crew.
Dying, mothers crying for why? You don't have to hold that knife.
You gotta carry a knife, young, and you ain't gotta carry a knife.
You don't have to take
pressure.
that life.
It's time to use your head and be wise. They say it's time to use your head and be wise. Don't let the road stress you.
And now he joining the gang. He convinced they can turn him from a boy to a man. Staying out late nights wasn't part of the plan. Starts to get introduced to the peas and the grams he's shotting. He rolling deep, now he losing his morals. Getting gassed cause his boys say they're back him in trouble. Starts to roll with a knife instead of using his knuckles. He should be going school instead of holding tools. Some older brothers round the way, they start to hear the deal. They put it on him, trying to see if he's really real. Little do they know he's rolling with a stainless steel. He don't run, he just stands still. Looks him straight in the face and tells him what is it. He receives a left hook to his upper lip. And peer pressure could be such a it draws for the ting and aims underneath the chin.
You don't have to take that life. So much more to fight.
No, that's my people.
You see what you did, guys? You call your brother. You did this to yourself.
The location is on Humble Garden, 3077.